guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do another replication video. And the first video I had, like within like 2 days I received like over 100 views, and I know for some people like that's not a lot, but for me that is a lot. Like 2 days, that's really good. So I'm taking this as a sign that I need to keep on going. Like, we're going to keep this thing going because it's going well at the moment. So today I'm going to try and do a smoky eye look, and that is something that I don't do. I've never done it, and this is the time to try it. Already I'm dark skinned, so I feel like smoky eyes would just make me look really like dark and witch-like, which I don't want. But hopefully the look would suit me, because you never know unless you try. And that's what I'm going to do today. If you want to see how everything turns out, keep on watching. So here's the look that I'm going to do. And I'm going to use 3 palettes once again. And to be honest, you've seen these palettes already. So the Revolution Pro Mischief Matte, the Revolution Iconic Divison one, and the Morphe Social Butterfly palette. And obviously this is this was limited edition, so you won't be able to find this, so I do apologize, but I do need the color that's in there. So first off, I'm gonna, you know, prime my eyes, if that's what we call it, and I'm gonna be using the cut crease canvas in the shade Etch. And yeah, just gonna use that. So that's my eyes done. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. As I can see in the picture, there's some brownish, orangey-ish color going on in the background. So for that color, I'm going to go with this palette, and I'm going to use this color called Upper Hand. That colour is, it's like a brown, but it's not like a proper brown. So we're gonna put that there. Yeah, I think this is a good colour for that. And excuse my voice is gone, if you can, as you can probably tell. So yeah, if I sound a bit croaky and crusty, I do apologise for your ears. So next, I'm going to use my Iconic Divison palette, and I'm going to use the brown colour here. So I'm just going to drag that. So this is like inside the crease. Yeah, I completely forgot like the most important step. So as you guys can see in like the picture, it has a really neat line. So what I've seen people do to achieve that, they get tape and they tape it. So that should have been like the first thing I done after like putting the eye primer, but I forgot. So it's never too late. So that's what I'm going to do now. I am going to put that there. Okay, that's better, that's better. I'm going to go back into the shade Upper Hand because it looks really harsh right now. So I'm just going to use that to soften up that brown that we got there. I think that looks good, I think. So now we're gonna get to the black. My Social Butterfly palette has a black, but it is a bit more like faint. So imagine the £4 palette is darker, pigmented than the Morphe limited edition expensive palette. But anyways, so as I said, I'm gonna go with the black. And this is scary, guys. I've never put black eyeshadow on my lids apart from the outer corner. So this is very scary. But yeah, here's the black. Oh. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. Why doesn't this look? No, guys, something's not right here. Oh no, I knew it. I knew I would struggle, but we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna go back with the brown because I feel like we're losing it. We're going back with the brown. I'm kind of bring back the brown here. Oh, this isn't okay. Okay, no, it's not bad. It's just too black. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go back with this again, and we're gonna try and lighten it because now it looks. This is exactly why I. Oh, okay. Do you know what? I feel like this needs an orange as well because I see a little bit of orange that I missed. So we're gonna have to get some orange. So I'm gonna go into the palette and take the orange shade called Daydream, and I'm going to put that like at the top, top. Okay. Oh no. No, no, no. Okay. Guys, I don't know. Okay, let me just... And lastly, the black is not really like a matte black. I see a little bit of like shimmer to it. So what I'm going to do, so with my Social Butterfly palette, it has some black shimmer shade. Like, it's not good, but... Guys, we're going to have to make do. Let's see if this is going to do something. I don't... Guys, I don't see no shimmer. Do I have any? Let me try using it with my finger because maybe the brush is not picking up. So I'm going to try again with this shade. And this is hashtag best night ever. And I'm going to see if I can get some sort of colour. Okay, so let me remove this. Oh. Well, it's not. This isn't good. My makeup's not fully done, so let me not. I think I am seeing a difference. So this is just the matte black, and this is it with like the shimmer that's supposed to be on it. So okay, this is okay. There is some sort of something going on, so I'm happy to see that. So before I set my face, I'm going to do the last bit, which was, it's to put the black and the orange bit in the under eye. And then, yeah, I'll be done. I'm going to use like a brush like that. I don't even know if it's the right brush, but I'm using it anyway. And I'm going to... Is this even... Oh, God. Let's see if I can use my finger. Okay, that's better. Okay. And then I'm going to use the orange in the inner corner. I don't know if that's a... I think it's just a normal orange. And I'm just going to use like this small angled brush. Once again, I don't know if it's the right brush I should be using, but I'm using it anyway. And I'm going to... Okay, so... Okay, let me do that to the other eye, set my face, and then I will be back. So this is the final look. this was a hefty one. This was very, very difficult. Like, as I said from the beginning, I've never really done a smoky eye because I don't think I suit it. Like, I'm already dark and this is just making me look darker. So now I just look really... and I don't like it. But it doesn't look that bad. I guess it's not terrible, but it's just not what I would like say, oh, let me just do a smoky eye today. Like, it's not really something I would do. But in terms of the replication, I don't know. I really don't know, because obviously the tit bit, I tried to do what the picture is doing, but I didn't really get it. But the smoke and the colour, I think the colour scheme we kind of got there. The orange is a bit dark, but ultimately, I think this was a decent attempt. So I would probably rate myself... I would rate myself a 6. Because, yeah, I'll give myself a 6 because the tip bit wasn't really great. The orange is different. And yeah, but otherwise the colour scheme is kind of there. And also because I'm not really a fan of smoky eye. Maybe I'll grow to love it. But for now, it's not really calling my name like that. But yeah, this was my replication. Please write down what you think you'd rate this look and how well I replicated it. But yeah, this is the end of the video and I hope you liked it. Please send me the makeup looks you guys would want me to try. Send it over and, you know, I'll use those and then do it for my next videos. But for the time being, thank you so much for watching and see you later. Bye.